Redline MK1 Coffee Brewer, 195 to 205 Optimum Brew temperature, pre-infusion mode included. Take your coffee brewing experience to the limit. The Redline MK1 is a premium quality coffee brewer available at an accessible price. Enjoy your favorite coffee to the limit by brewing with the Redline MK1 8-cup brewer. Optimum brewing temperatures for optimal extraction. Create a pot of perfection every time. The MK1 reaches optimum brew temperatures of 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. It will also brew a full pot in under 6 minutes. Brewing made easy. With a press of a switch, you are on your way to make consistently great coffee. The MK1 also includes a pre-infusion mode which your coffee to bloom. Blooming allows your coffee grinds to expand, resulting in optimal extraction from your grinds. This can all be achieved with the press of a single switch. Elegant design. All of the MK1's features are simple, mechanical and thoughtfully considered. The wide mouth water reservoir is designed for easy pouring. A simple drip lever we nicknamed the parking brake allows you to pause the drip during the middle of your brew for those times you need to get to your coffee ASAP without worrying about making a mess. We believe the Redline MK1 coffee brewer should be a pleasure to use while also looking great on your countertop. Satisfaction guaranteed. We want you to enjoy the coffee made by the MK1 down to the very last drop, every time. That is why every Redline coffee brewer includes a limited 2-year warranty and 60-day return policy. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.